Hello everybody, this coconut is a well that we put the water every 1 week. Yeah, so it very nice coconut tree. After planting it 2 months, 2 months that we uh, watering once a week. Yeah, it look like that. So it's very good at the growing fast. When I planting this coconut, it very small. It is small. So sometimes we put the fertilizer, the manure chicken, the chicken manure. Yeah, it fertilizer natural. So we put the fertilizer is 1 month that we put the chicken manure 1 kilo per month. Yeah, I hope that this video is good for everybody that want to planting coconut tree. So this video I want to show you coconut grow well and watering. So this is a video that I speak English. I try to speak English to explain everybody to know how to planting coconut, take and how to hold coconut tree more. That sorry before a mistake that I speak English. I hope that you understand that I want to you give the knowledge about coconut tree, that you want to work and want to planting coconut. Thank you.